spectacular through the water splash. Makinen is the catch-up man. Spooked out maybe by the Pipers at the start-finish line. In fact, the start-finish line, he had a chance to do a Schumacher and take McRae out, but he chose not to. Real sportsman in rallying.
Just remember that they time rallying in seconds. We won't see tenth per second, so it may just be that they'll finish slightly apart but be given the same time. Let's see how they come over the start-finish.
One corner to go. Who's it to be to win the very first World Championship Rally Sprint? One corner to go. Who's it to be to win the very first World Championship Rally Sprint in Britain here at Silverstone? McRae on the inside's going to take it.
Well, there you see Tommy Makinen won